Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Google Classroom for posting learning materials, assignments and messages to our students. So the very first prerequisite what we require to use Google Classroom is a Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail account, just open your account, go to apps and scroll down. You will find Classroom written here. Please click onto it. At the right hand corner, you will find a plus sign. So when you bring the mouse over the plus sign, it asks you create or join a class. So you need to click on it. And if you are a teacher, you have to click on create class. You need to write the class name, class 6, the section B and subject science, and select from the drop down. So science is selected and then we will click on to create. It will take few minutes to create and then your class is created. Now here at the left hand corner you will see class code. Whenever you want a student to join a class, you can just send this code to a student and that student will be able to join your class. Now once the students have joined your class, you can communicate with your class by creating and scheduling announcement. If you want to give certain educational material for your class, you can just go to this classwork tab, click on here and press on create. You have various options what you want to post. So if you want a learning material to post, you'll just click on to material. You'll get a window. You need to put a title. So if you want a title should be there. So I will write chapter 1. Let it be air as a description, and then we have option to add all these things. So if you want to add a YouTube link, so you can just search video search for air, or if you know the link, you can just copy the link. So if I want to share this link, I will click on to add. Now that link is added. If I want to get a file, so I'll just select from my system any file, whatever I want. I want this file to be added to from my Google Drive. I want to share any file. So if I want to share this file, I have got this file and so on. After doing that, you will just click on to post. Once you have clicked on to post, your post is created. Now if you go to this class, you can see KV Arjun posted a new material, chapter 1, and when you click on to this chapter, you will get all the things what you have given. So through this way you can just consolidate all the material what you are giving to student, and the student in return can see that. Now if you want some student to join this, so I told you what you will do. You will be clicking on to this code and you will send to the student. Now if I have this as a student, what I will do is I will go to my home screen and I will write for join class and I will put this code and join. The student have to do this. Once the student joins, the student window will also have this post which you have posted, which includes your YouTube video which will be played when he or she clicks, or it can also see the file which I have shared. So thanks for watching the video.